robins up here too. Weren't there, don't you think?
No, there were 3.
Okay.
And open. That is really funny.
Like little Jack in the Boxes. And you can see where they have eyes.